Hello everyone, this is Yash bringing you the latest update in the textile industry. Today is August 19 and here are the top stories that you need to know. First up, diminishing cotton production is creating challenges for the Pakistan's textile sector. South Punjab, which was once dominated by fluffy cotton flowers, is seeing a decline in cotton fields. This decrease in cotton production is impacting the textile industry, which relies heavily on local cotton to spin, weave and stitch. In Faisalabad, over 100 factories have shut down due to rising operational cost. Despite the challenges, industry leaders are urging resilience with the government working on solutions to reduce cost energies. Ludhiana's textile industry is struggling as neighboring Asian countries benefit from preferential trade treatments. This disparity is causing concern among Ludhiana manufacturers who are facing increased competition in global market. Lastly, Telangana's chief minister is determined to make the Kakatiya Textile Park a model for the industry. The park is expected to be a hub for innovation and sustainable practices in textile manufacturing. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the Textile Sphere for the latest news in the textile industry. Thank you.